Welcome to the Unique Views YouTube channel. We have been bringing new motivational videos for you. Today's video is very important for you, thus please watch it till the end. In this video, I am going to talk about maintaining good health, focusing on what types of key ways are needed for good health through the practice of the law of attraction. I am very grateful that I have taken reference from the book Law of Attraction, namely 101 Powerful Ways to Use the Law of Attraction, written by Dr. Steph G. Jones and Frank Mangano for this video. Let's begin. Half of your health battles start all in your head. The thoughts you think determine how healthy your body is and even make you sick. That's why thoughts leads to action and action leads to either excellent health or very poor health. When it comes to the law of attraction, like thoughts attacks like reality and your health is surely not excluded from this. If so, what to do for excellent health? The number one way to maintain good health is to think healthy thoughts and refrain from thinking about being sick or unhealthy in any way. Rather than thinking about the fact that you don't want to catch a cold, think about how much you enjoy breathing freely and feeling amazing. When you catch yourself feeling nervous about health issue, switch your state of thinking to a more positive one. Focus on healthy habits that will give you a healthy mind and body in return. All of the focus on a healthy lifestyle will be rewarded with good health. Here are some important tips for practicing affirmation to maintain your good health. Please practice these affirmations wholeheartedly. I am healthy in every way when it comes to my mind and body. All of the functions and systems in my body are working harmoniously to keep me healthy. I enjoy good health every day because I take care of myself. My physical and mental state is always performing at optimal levels. I feel amazing and healthy all of the time because my immune system is very strong. Now let us know the visualization techniques for maintaining our good health. Please pay attention to this chapter for a while. This chapter is also important for you if you want to maintain your good health for a quality life and well-being. If you are fighting an illness or disease, don't allow the thoughts of your current state of penetrate your mind during this exercise. Think as if they do not exist because your body is actively fighting a winning battle to keep you healthy and free of symptoms of any kind. You feel perfectly healthy and energized. Keep these thoughts in your head when you begin to visualize. Think about each system being healthy and working perfectly. Picture your heart pumping strong and steady, your lungs absorbing all the oxygen it needs, and all of your organs doing their job without a single problem. Think of your mind and body as a beautiful light that removes all darkness and heals instantly. Feel yourself having no trouble at all with your health and allow the feeling of good health to give you great comfort and relief. Feel grateful and confident that you are healing fully with each passing day that goes by. Thank you for watching this video. Please comment if you have any on this video. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care and see you in the next new video. Thank you.